Does insurance cover single vehicle accidents? Have you ever wondered what happens if you find yourself in a single vehicle accident? It's a common concern, and understanding how insurance works in these situations is essential. So, does insurance cover single vehicle accidents? The answer is yes, but it depends on the type of coverage you have in your auto insurance policy. First, let's talk about collision coverage. This type of insurance is designed to help you when you crash your vehicle into something, like a tree or a guardrail. If you have collision coverage, it will help pay for the repairs to your vehicle after you pay your deductible. Since single vehicle accidents often involve hitting stationary objects, collision coverage is typically the main protection you need. Next, we have comprehensive coverage. This coverage protects against damages that are not caused by a collision. For example, if you hit an animal or if your vehicle is damaged by falling debris, comprehensive coverage would apply. So, if your single vehicle accident involves unexpected events like these, having comprehensive coverage is beneficial. Now let's discuss liability insurance. This type of insurance is required in most states, but it does not cover damage to your own vehicle in a single vehicle accident. Instead, it only covers damages or injuries you cause to others or their property. So, if you only have liability insurance, you will be responsible for paying all repair costs out of pocket after a single vehicle accident. Medical payments coverage or personal injury protection can also come into play. This coverage helps pay for medical expenses for you and your passengers, regardless of who is at fault. This can be particularly helpful in single vehicle accidents where injuries may occur. It's important to know that if you do not have collision or comprehensive coverage, you will be left to cover all repair costs yourself. Additionally, because many single vehicle accidents are considered at fault, filing a claim may lead to higher insurance premiums when it comes time to renew your policy. After a single vehicle accident, it's wise to document the scene thoroughly and notify your insurance company as soon as possible. Understanding which parts of your policy apply is crucial. If mechanical failure or defects in your vehicle contributed to the accident, getting a professional inspection can help support any claims you may need to file. In summary, insurance coverage for single vehicle accidents hinges on having collision and comprehensive coverage. Without these, your liability insurance will not pay for your own vehicle's damages, leaving you responsible for repair costs. Knowing the details of your policy and what each coverage type entails is essential for financial protection in these situations.